My family has enjoyed this House of Staunton chess set for over a year. I just got a request to show all the pieces, so I'm going to do a close-up on every chess piece, but I also want to show the wear and tear over the course of the year. Now, we've played this a lot, and this board has lived in our living room for the entire year, and I would say that the board has held up beautifully. It is a truly gorgeous board, but unfortunately it did get dropped a couple times, and it definitely damaged a couple of the corners. So that's something to keep in mind, is to take care of your board and it will take care of you. Kind of a given, but I was really disappointed at how much that damaged it. But considering that this has been used constantly and we have elementary aged kids, I would say that it's held up really nicely. And as I say elementary aged children, I realize that we actually have had this for almost 2 years at this point. Time sure flies. So here are all the pieces. I would say this has held up beautifully. The box's veneer is really nice. It has some very slight wear and tear that you can barely see, but mostly still looks beautiful. Well, let's go through all the pieces. You have your kings, clean throughout, very consistent, lovely pieces, felt on the bottoms. The queens, very classic. I love the etching on the wood and the top along this edge here. With the bishops, this top slice does go all the way down through. Nice attention to detail. And here are the knights. I love the detail on these. The eyes, they almost look like they have little eyebrows. You can see the ear and the full mane all the way down the back. They even have nostrils and very clear teeth there. And here are the rooks, again, very clean. They all have very consistent weight. They're not very heavy, but they're not like those plastic light pieces either. They do have a little heft to them, which I appreciate. And finally, you have your pawns. Very, very standard classic pawns. Now, since we've kept this in our living room for over a year, I clearly think this is a set worthy of being on display. The pieces are really beautiful, and it's just a joy to play on this beautiful board with these lovely pieces from the House of Staunton.